Locate your PicsArt app, click on it. Once you open your PicsArt app, you just click on Start Editing. After clicking on Start Editing, you need to select your mockup file first. Let's select, click on See All, then we locate our mockup file in this design gallery. In this gallery, okay. Which one do we need to use? Let's use this. Let's use this. So once your mockup is loaded, you can now go scroll the lower part and click on Add Photo. Click on Add Photo. Click on Add Photo. After selecting the image, you click on Add, which is at the top right corner of your screen. So once it brings it in like this, can you see? You take it to the part where you want it to be and adjust the size. The size is too big. Reduce it. Increase a bit. So make it cover up all the mockup file. Now you scroll the lower part again until you get to blend. Can you see? Click on the blend. Once you click on blend, you can now select several options at the top of it. You see, you can now select the one you want. We are using multiply here. Can you see once? So if the color of your image is not showing very well, you can go to adjust your mockup. Can you see? So brightness can be adjusted, contrast can be adjusted. So once you adjust the contrast and brightness, you are good to go. Clarity